Welcome to another episode of I Milk My Friends for Content. I know we all love that on this YouTube channel, don't we? Yeah, that's it for the intro. I don't know what else to say honestly. Enjoy! Hello, my fellow chicken nuggets. Today I'll be letting you all come with me on an excursion, a very rare one at that, because college is kicking my ass. In this video, I'll be going to the mall and doing a variety of other stuff. By other stuff, I mean going on a sleepover. Yes, it is the first one I've had in ages. But we get lost first. Guys, are you stupid? Ask the green aunt. Hey, do you know where to go after this? And hence we further continued our excursion into the wild, which is the mall, by the way. And then we decided to prank Gayatri because when is that not fun?
Buy it.
Vodka.
Afford it.
Oh.
This is for Gayatri.
Oh my god.
This is on your face. This is Niyati's, okay? No spraying gum in even. Let's cover still after use. Come on. Let's go.
Cool Wildlife Society.
Save wildlife. Put it on Prarthana's head. Prarthana shop.
So this is basically what we did for the next 1 hour before our movie started. Like someone would actually come and hit us with the J slur and tell us to get a job. And I would totally agree with them. Like, why the hell are 3 college kids laughing in the middle of a store? Like, go home already. Why are you still here? Take a nap. Study. I don't know what y'all do. Just get out of here. You're ruining our business.
And this is of course me. Look what Niyati found. Dangerous.
Hello, my
Dangerous.
dudes.
Gangster. You can't. I dodged
Let's
it.
pretend to.
Why? Why did that take such a...
And yeah, obviously, our hungry asses did have the time for eating lunch.
Oh wait, what?
And after a bit of time of goofing around at the stores at the mall even more, we actually decided to get into the theater and watch our movie as our show was coming close. But still, we had a bit of waiting time, so we were doing all the goofiest shit possible. And then, before you know it, the movie began. It was Interstellar. The movie was originally released like 10 years ago, but it was re-released again this year. So this was my time to actually understand what was happening in the movie. Because back when I first watched it, I was an idiot in 3rd grade. And yes, I did tear up a bit. Before we knew it, we were done with the movie and we were stuffed into the car along with AK this time. And we set sail to Manasvi's house.
Guys, it's like Vaishno Devi. They're like, don't stop if you see anyone on the road. This is a very high risk zone which we are traveling through right now.
Oh, you are
might
recording, then I might
not
as well
know.
play the song.
You might not know, but this place is infested with criminals and wild boars.
Please shut up.
Believe it or not, we did reach in one piece. Or did we?
Smash.
और इसको
Mash. It's smash, not smash.
Smash
It's like
करो,
Hulk
smash
smash.
करो, कुछ भी करना है उसमें मसाला डालना है और
Till
फिर
now you could have done it
और फिर
also.
चपाती बेलना है उसके अंदर डालना है और फिर
And you call
उसको
me
पकाना
lazy. You call me lazy.
उसको ये करना है वो क्या बोलते हैं ये वाला Then you have to-
पकाना है.
You guys are really handicapped in cooking.
The next couple of clips cannot be explained by yours truly in voiceover format, so you will have to raw dog it.
Should we see one recipe? Can we see a video
Of what?
of whatever you're making once?
I've not seen this. I've not used this one. Okay.
Yeah, I mean,
I'll
hey,
try
careful,
it.
don't.
That's not how we hold it. That's not.
My mom.
Are you squatting? You beautiful baby. I don't hi to the camera. The whole reading montage. You come here. I am here. Hello, I'm also here. My potatoes.
What am I doing? Supervising.
That is what the unemployed people say, by the way. Very good. I don't want any blood in my kitchen. No, I'm not kidding. I don't think it's supposed to be there. I don't want such bath in my kitchen. Bath? Bath. I never. It's from Los Angeles. That's very correct. Feeling also like Los Angeles. It's from 1986. Don't share the Los Angeles people. They're not as shit as us. Are you sure you want the aloo so fat? Yeah. I can put it. Okay. Okay, you shift it थोड़ा सा that side. Can use this hand. Aloo. I'm showing to the camera. They deserve to know who's doing such impeccable job with the potatoes. Potato or potato? Potato, same thing.
That is for tomato. This one.
This one.
This one is tomato.
Too many knives in this
This
frame.
one, like with the onion, and then make a paste
I know.
out of both of them. But I don't like to put onion in the grinding because it does.
Start spinning.
Not the ones.
You won't fall off, huh?
No, I won't. Okay.
3, 2,
What did we even?
1.
Pretend you're on those cooking channels. आज हम बनाएं
cooking.
मिक्स वेज की सब्जी बच्चों को बहुत पसंद आएगा double actually you look like those dad
चाय बना चाय गरम गरम चाय चाहिए मुझे Meanwhile, mom is like, why the hell you want chai, man? You'll get high on caffeine. बच्चों को चाय नहीं तो चाहिए. I need coffee, man. It's only me and Manasvi in the kitchen. Look at these two.
what's up okay attempt to make nimbu pani and I don't know what these people want.
God knows what's happening.
Time for shots. Cheers.
She's not 21 yet. Oh no, it's okay. We're doing illegal.
I have to make a drunk confession. Should be hung to death. Should be shot to death.
Where is this going?
Gayatri will sweep after the blood. Don't worry.
Eventually, for a brief period of time, we did realize that we were very much behind schedule and it was 12 a.m. the next day and dinner was not ready yet. So we got to kneading that dough, flattening it and putting them on the pan so we can fry it and have properly cooked chapatis for dinner.
The grannies. Yeah, the very new dress. Hey, what? Of Kanye. I knew that was coming. Number one format she wants. I will wear a Cinderella garment. If he made her wear something yucky also, I wouldn't be so surprised. But it was nothing.
After a long period of struggle, dinner was finally served and then we yapped way too much. And then we hit the hay to wake up for the next day with a clean and fresh mind. Soon enough, we were hungry yet again. So we decided to go out and grab some breakfast instead of making it ourselves because we all know what happened the day before. Before returning back to our respective mansions, we decided to play a game of cards. Treachery, scamming, deceptiveness, psychological warfare, everything was involved. But we had fun nonetheless. After a few hours of reaching my room, I decided to go out for dinner with my beloved roommate. And yeah, we did get lost on the way. It was a pretty fun experience, not gonna lie. The food, amazing, 10 on 10. Would recommend 1,000 times over. And yeah, that's all for this video.